Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove notes from Instagram. So notes is a new update that Instagram has been rolling out, and if you don't like it, then you'd like to get rid of it. But there are only a couple ways to actually get rid of notes on Instagram. So the first way, if you are on Samsung or Android, then you can just download an older version of Instagram. You can search up how to do that on YouTube. But if you're on iPhone, then we are currently out of luck. Instagram doesn't have an option to actually remove notes from your Instagram. So there are a couple things you could do to try to get rid of it, and it kind of removes it, but there's no way to actually get completely rid of the option. So as you can see, I have my notes here, and there's really no way to completely get rid of it on iPhone. So the couple things that you can do, the first way is to actually mute people who post notes. So not everybody's going to be posting notes, but you can mute specific people just for their notes. You can just mute only their notes and nothing else, so you can still see their stories and chats and everything, but you can just not see their notes. So the way to do it, you go to that person's account, so either by finding it or going through your chat, and once you find it here, you'll want to click on following. So there's the following button which says following. And then if you click on the following button, which is right next to the messages button, then this bar will show up right here. And here, if you click on mute, which is right underneath add to favorites, then you can see this option right here. Now here, you just want to turn on notes and nothing else, so that you can still see their posts and stories. Now their notes won't show up in your Instagram anymore. So there isn't a way to completely get rid of them, but this is the best alternative. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.